In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a check in QuickBooks. If you've entered a check and later notice the amount, category, payee, or memo needs to change, you can update it directly in QuickBooks without recreating the transaction. I'll walk you through where to find the check, what each field means, and how to save your changes confidently. Start by going to Expenses from the left-hand menu. This opens the Expenses area where all your bills, purchases, and checks live. At the top, make sure you're on the Expenses tab rather than Vendors, so you're viewing a list of individual transactions. Now let's quickly find the check you want to edit. Use the Filter button and set Transaction Type to Check. Depending on your region, QuickBooks may display Check even if you say Check. It's the same thing. You can also narrow the results by date range. If you know who you paid, type the payee's name in the search bar. If you only remember the amount or an approximate date, those work too. This helps you zero in on the exact transaction fast. Once you see the check in the list, click it to open the full details. From here, you can make your edits. If the amount needs adjusting, update the total carefully, since this affects your bank balance and your expense totals. If the category is wrong, change it to the correct expense account so your reports reflect the right spending bucket. Use the memo field for context, such as an invoice number or a short note. This can help future you or your accountant understand why the change was made. If the payee is incorrect or needs to be updated, select the correct vendor or person, so vendor balances and 1099 tracking, where applicable, stay accurate. And if the money actually came from a different bank account, switch the account at the top so the payment is recorded against the right register. Before saving, take a moment to review everything: date, bank account, payee, category, amount, and memo, so the change is complete and consistent. When you're ready, click Save and Close. A quick word of caution: if the check has already been reconciled or you have a closing date set, QuickBooks may warn you or require a password before you proceed. That's normal. It's there to protect your books. Also remember that edits update your reports and vendor totals right away. If multiple people manage your file, QuickBooks keeps an audit trail so changes are tracked. That's it. You've successfully edited a check in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a refresher while you work.